Welcome back to this video. The very first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up your WhatsApp. So I'm going to use my WhatsApp right here to explain this particular tutorial right here. So here I'm going to simply select a chat. Having selected a chat, I will click on my notepad right here, and this is going to pop up. Next thing we want to do is to make sure we tap on this first square right here, and then we make sure we go ahead and click on emoji. Then it's going to take us right here. First thing first, we need to make sure we click on this setting icon, and it's going to take us right there, and make sure all these buttons here are fully turned on right here from the top to the bottom right here. Make sure everything is turned on. Then you can simply go back and click on this first square again, and then go ahead and click on emoji. Then you have different emojis right here. Scroll down right here and choose anyone you like. However, you can click on GIF. This allows you to see different type of GIF right here. Crazy, so you can swipe to crazy right here. Scroll down. The more you scroll down, the more different GIF is going to look up right here. So you can click on here now to see another one. You can click on smile. You see different smile GIF right here. However, you can exit from GIF and go to sticker right here. You have different type of sticker that you can simply explore and use in your Gboard. You can click on here now and see more sticker, just like so. Scroll down and check on anyone you like right here. You can go to clock sticker, sticker right here, another sticker, another sticker, another sticker. You can swipe this way and see more sticker as the case may be. It's that simple. For more tutorial about how best to use your Google keyboard, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.